Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0751, indicating that the Shift Solenoid Valve A is stuck off, is significant in the context of Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, suggests a malfunction in the transmission system, specifically within the valve body. The shift solenoid valves are essential components that control the flow of transmission fluid, allowing the transmission to shift gears properly. When solenoid A is not functioning, the vehicle may default to third or fourth gear, limiting performance and drivability. Drivers may notice issues such as harsh shifting or inability to change gears. Timely diagnosis and repair are crucial, as ignoring this issue can lead to more significant transmission damage. The troubleshooting process involves multiple steps to confirm and address the fault effectively. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0751 effectively relies on a structured approach to diagnostics and repair. Timely diagnostics is crucial for avoiding further damage to the vehicle's transmission. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures that all potential issues are examined meticulously to restore the system's functionality. It's also critical to have a solid understanding of how components like the Shift Solenoid A operate within the system, as well as how to perform maintenance on them. By adhering to recommended maintenance practices, such as checking ATF regularly and maintaining proper levels, drivers can safeguard against future transmission-related problems. This proactive approach not only enhances performance, but also extends the life cycle of the transmission system. DTC P0751 arises due to a malfunction of the Shift Solenoid Valve A. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the flow of automatic transmission fluid, ATF, within the transmission assembly, which impacts gear shifting. The solenoid is typically located within the valve body of the transmission and operates based on electrical signals from the powertrain control module, PCM. When the solenoid is stuck in the off position, it inhibits the transmission's ability to shift gears effectively, resulting in a fail-safe mode that often restricts the vehicle to third or fourth gear. This restriction can affect the vehicle's performance, leading to inadequate acceleration and overall reduced drivability. Regular diagnostics of the transmission system, including checking solenoids, are vital to maintain vehicle performance. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0751 being triggered. One common issue is a faulty shift solenoid A. When this solenoid fails, it cannot properly control the fluid flow necessary for shifting. This failure often requires replacement of the solenoid or associated components. Another possible cause is a clogged strainer, which can prevent proper fluid circulation and result in metal debris or clutch material interfering with solenoid operations. Additionally, low transmission fluid levels can adversely affect hydraulic pressure within the system, leading to erratic shifting. Each of these causes can contribute to the malfunction of the transmission, requiring careful inspection and testing to identify the actual fault. It's important to follow each step of the diagnostic process to accurately determine the source of the problem. When DTC P0751 is present, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms. One prominent indicator is harsh shifting, where transitions between gears feel jarring rather than smooth. Additionally, the vehicle may become limited to either third or fourth gear, significantly impacting the drivability and performance. This limitation can lead to poor acceleration and a decrease in overall engine power, making it difficult to navigate various driving conditions. Drivers might also observe unusual sounds from the transmission as it attempts to engage gears. Recognizing these symptoms early can be key in addressing the underlying problems before they escalate into more significant transmission issues, ultimately saving on repair costs and vehicle downtime. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0751, ATF, automatic transmission fluid, needs to be thoroughly checked. Begin by warming up the engine to reach normal operating temperature, as this allows for accurate fluid level readings. After warming, ensure that the transmission is filled to the proper level and inspect for any fluid leaks that could indicate underlying issues. Following this, drain the ATF through the strainer and inspect the strainer for any metal debris or excessive clutch material, which can indicate wear or failure inside the transmission. If such debris is present, it often suggests that the transmission may need replacement. If no debris is found, proceed to the next troubleshooting step while replacing the ATF to ensure clean fluid circulates through the system. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0751, it is crucial to verify the actual problem conditions. Begin by safely raising the vehicle or securing it with the parking brake and wheel blocks, ensuring that the front wheels can rotate freely. The next action is to start the engine and put the vehicle in the on mode while disabling the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system. Then, test the vehicle under normal conditions by allowing it to shift from first to second gear while monitoring certain parameters with the HDS tool. Specifically, check the status of the third and fifth pressure switches during shifts to determine if they are activating as expected. If the fifth pressure switch activates temporarily and the third pressure switch engages with a harsh shift, then the failure has been duplicated. If everything operates normally, it may indicate an intermittent fault, requiring further investigation. In the final troubleshooting step for DTC P0751, testing the functionality of Shift Solenoid A is essential. Within the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, select the specific option to operate Shift Solenoid A and listen for a clicking sound that indicates operation. If a clicking sound is heard, it suggests that the solenoid itself may be functioning correctly, pointing toward potential issues with the secondary valve body. However, if the clicking sound is absent, this confirms the solenoid is faulty and must be replaced. In either case, if an issue with the solenoid is discovered, replacing the secondary valve body is necessary to restore proper function. This step is crucial for ensuring that fluid flow is effectively managed within the transmission, ultimately addressing the DTC. Once all repairs related to DTC P0751 have been completed, it is critical to verify that the repairs were successful. Begin this verification process by clearing the DTC using the HDS. Then conduct a road test to assess whether the transmission now shifts smoothly through all gears. After the test drive, recheck for any stored DTCs to ensure that the initial code has not returned. This rechecking process will help confirm if the issue has been resolved or if further diagnostics are needed. If the DTC does not reappear, it indicates satisfactory completion of the repair procedure, restoring the vehicle to its intended operational status. Regular testing and verification of repairs will promote ongoing reliability and performance in the transmission system. As a part of preventive maintenance related to potential DTCs like P0751, it is vital to establish a consistent routine for checking automatic transmission fluid, ATF levels. Regularly monitoring the fluid ensures that the transmission operates within its designed range and helps prevent overheating or excessive wear on components such as solenoids. Additionally, scheduling transmission filter changes can mitigate issues with clogs that may arise over time. Ensuring that the system remains free from debris can lead to enhanced performance and longevity of the transmission. Moreover, maintaining proper fluid levels prevents low-pressure situations that could contribute to failure in solenoids and other parts. Establishing a preventive framework will help in avoiding expensive repairs and enhance the vehicle's reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.